Drilling out a lock is a technique used to remove a lock cylinder by drilling through it. This method is often used by locksmiths and law enforcement officials when there is no other way to gain entry to a locked door or container. However, it is important to note that drilling out a lock can damage the door or container and render it unusable, so it should only be done as a last resort. In this video, we will provide step-by-step instructions on how to drill out a lock, as well as some tips on how to minimize damage to the surrounding area. I am Sam, a drilling expert from Drilling Nerd. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Acquire suitable tools. Using your hands to unlock a door lock is very challenging. The ideal drill machine for this job would be well maintained and powerful. Drill bits in various sizes are available. The drill bit size and lock size must be compatible. You can determine the size of the drill bits by trying a few times with multiple drill bits. Step 2. Insert a 4M or 3M drill bit. To drill into the mechanism, you need a tiny drill bit. You don't have to drill out to destroy the lock's pins. The purpose is to drill a hole through the cylinder. Step 3. The lock's drilling. Penetrate the lock cylinder with a drill. You must drill the lock from the top corner. The drill will help to destroy the tumbler pins in the lock. The number of tumblers in a lock can range from 5 to 6 or even more. Each time the drill bit comes into contact with a pin, you'll feel the resistance. If you feel the drill is stuck inside in metal tumblers or you feel high resistance, you have to change the drill machine mode to reverse mode. This mode will rotate the drill in the opposite direction. You can now pull the drill slowly and steadily. Drilling inappropriately can result in self-injury. Additionally, it would be best to put on safety gear like safety glasses. Step 4. Drilling at snail speed. If the bit is difficult to drill in the lock, stop drilling immediately and pull out the drill in reverse mode. Lubricate the drill bit and start trying again. If you are forced to drill, you may break the drill tip, or even damage the lock. Step 5. It's your turn to use a screwdriver. We commonly use two types of screwdrivers. These types include Phillips head screwdrivers and flathead screwdrivers. Now you must choose the flathead screwdriver to insert in the hole. Turn the screwdriver same as you turned the key to unlock the door. The screwdriver will easily and without resistance rotate in the hole if you successfully drill through the tumblers. Step 6. Dismantle the lock. This is the final step. You must completely dismantle the cylinder lock if you are still unable to open your lock. We must destroy the entire lock assembly. You can forward this post to your friends if you find it useful. When a key is lost, this will also enable them to open their locks.